Hello, I'm Shanna Von K and welcome to Seasons Cleanings. Today I kind of wanted to switch things up and just kind of like show you what I do as a quick clean in my bathroom. This isn't a deep clean, this isn't a how to clean. This is more of like if you have people coming over real fast, you have 15 minutes, or for me, like it's Friday night, I'm exhausted, but I want my house to be picked up. This is like I call it my quick clean. It's my once a week clean where it just is good enough. And so here, let's go ahead and show you. Tip number one, we are going to spray the bowl of the toilet down with a bleach cleaner, and you can choose one that's either toilet bowl cleaner or a spray and let it sit and do the work for you. First things first, you want to tidy it up and put everything away where it belongs, out of sight, before you start doing the wipe down clean. You want to just put everything away where it goes and tidy it up, straighten up, put toothpaste lids back on, put towels away. You also want to remove any laundry and put that in the laundry basket. If you've got trash, you want to go ahead and take the trash and put that into the trash can. And another thing to do is roll up your rugs. I like to shake them out if it's just a quick clean, but if I am cleaning someone's home, I normally vacuum them. But today was a quick clean. Everything picked up and put away, and we are going to start phase 2, which is cleaning. So make sure you put your gloves on. Working top to bottom, I'm just going to dry dust everything. Just really quickly grabbing any cobwebs and a little bit of dust particles on top of the picture frames or your shelves. And another tip, I like to keep a glass cloth and a microfiber cloth under my sink. I like to hang it on the door so that I can do quick cleans throughout the week. So first we'll hit the mirror, and I use water and my glass cloth. But you can use whatever glass solution that you like. This is just how I prefer it, and I will link a video on how to clean mirrors. Remember, it's a quick clean, so we're just doing the best job we can with the time we have. We're going for completion, not perfection. Now we're just going to go ahead and hit the sink and just wipe around with a towel. We are not scrubbing, we're just wiping, getting up as much as we can quickly. And remember, when you're cleaning a sink countertop area, do the countertop first, sink last. So I know I'm repeating myself, but we're doing a quick clean, so we're not scrubbing everything down. So I'm just getting my microfiber cloth all wet, and I'm just wiping down areas, usually ledges, and then also you want to hit the faucets and fixtures, shine them up. And also make sure you hit the outside of your tub that sees a lot of action. Now we're going to move to the toilet, but before they do that, give your toilet paper a little fold. And take that same towel and you're going to wipe top to bottom from the cleanest parts of your toilet first to the dirtiest, which is the inside of the bowl. So the towel you see me using right here to clean is the one I keep underneath the sink so it can do a little quick cleaning throughout the week. But when I get to the end of the week and I'm doing my quick clean to make me feel good and enjoy the weekend, if I can, I use that towel and finish it in the bowl, and then it goes down to the wash. Also, another tip, use a trash bag to put your dirty towels so that you're not setting them on anything they could ruin. And to finish that last thought is, when you clean your towels once a week, you put them in fresh and they keep your bathroom clean all week, and do the final clean at the end. Then just sweep and bring your rug back in, and you've got yourself a good enough, quick clean, make you feel good bathroom. And voila! You see what I did there? You can totally take out or add more. It's completely up to you, depends on how much time that you have. But this is generally my little quick weekend, once a week clean to kind of keep off the big clean that eventually needs to be done. Thank you so much for watching. I am loving making these videos, and I especially love that a few of you have noticed Lily cleaning on Instagram. I'm shouting out to you because you let me know that you love the videos and you look forward to them. So I am making these videos for you. So I just want to say thanks so much, and just don't forget to give me a like if you like these videos so I know to keep making them, and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to ring the bell because that lets you know when they come. And I thought I would have them consistently, but
that's just not been the case. So ring that bell and we'll let you know when we got another video up. I look forward to seeing you next week. Thanks again.